So I'm super excited to show you this tool that I just finished just days ago and got approved through the Chrome web store just today. This is a Chrome extension. So if you have Google Chrome on your laptop, on your PC, whether it's Mac or Windows based, should work on there because Chrome is Chrome. So Chrome extension that is going to allow you to pick any frame as you're uploading a YouTube video, so that you're not limited to YouTube's own choices. And so you don't have to boot up another program and customize your thumbnail a lot. They say simple thumbnails are great. So that's what we're focusing on. I'm going to show you this extension that I built. I'm super excited about it. I'm going to be using it all the time. Hope it's useful to you too. So here it is in the Chrome web store. It's called Enhanced Thumbnail Selector. Right now it's in beta, which means basically that if you want to use it right now, just let me know. I'll add you to the list and I'd love to get your feedback on it. But with this extension, you're going to be able to make thumbnails very, very quickly, very, very easily, just with a few clicks. And you can set up templates, you can add images, you can add shapes, you can even adjust your brightness, contrast, sharpness, these kinds of things. Let me show it to you in action as well. So it's going to work as you're uploading a YouTube video. Eventually, I'm hoping to make it so that you can use it for established videos as well, or videos in the draft and that kind of thing. But right now, you have to be actually uploading a video at that time for it to work. So in YouTube Studio, you're going to click Create, Upload Videos, select Files. All this is normal, of course. Let's find a file real quick. So here's my last video that I uploaded. And of course, it's going to start the upload process, but then you're going to click this button up here, this extension icon, Open Thumbnail Selector. And it pops up the modal pop-up that allows you to actually edit your thumbnail. Now, this is where the magic happens. This is so cool because, of course, if you're uploading a video, YouTube will only give you 3 auto-generated thumbnails to choose from if you want to go the simple lazy route, which I'm all about lazy. But with my extension, when you open this pop-up, you can actually scrub through the video and find the exact thumbnail that you want to use, the exact frame of your video that you want to use. And even if you find a good frame, you're like, I wish I was zoomed in just a little bit more. You're just going to zoom in a little bit by using your 2 fingers and just zooming in. You can zoom in and out using your 2 fingers on your laptop or your middle scroll wheel with a mouse. And I have this template set up, but you can actually set up other templates as well. Say we want to go with this red and yellow glow one. And just that easy, we've completely changed the look of it. By double-clicking the text, we can move that around and then use the parameters to change the size and say, well, I didn't really like that either. So we're going to pick a different template. Maybe we'll go with this highlighted text version. And once again, you can change things around, but then you could very easily change the color of the highlight if you want a different color there. Change the opacity, the shadows, all kinds of things. Or you can say, let's add an arrow, thick arrow. And let's make it point to the left. There we go. But then you can add pictures. You can save pictures. You can use other pictures that you've already made. And then when you're done doing all that, you can set up templates for any kind of, thing that you like, and then just come back to it quickly and add it, and you're done. I mean, it's so much better. I added this one template called A Little Bit of Everything all of the time, which I just threw everything that I had on there. Just to get an idea of what's capable. You got shapes, you have text, you have shadows, you have outlines for things. You can add images. You can adjust your brightness. Oh, okay. So going back to, let's pick a simple template, this one. And then for the background as well, you can actually click on that and then adjust your brightness, contrast, sharpness. So it's like an image editing suite within YouTube itself. And of course, you could spend a lot of time on that and make your thumbnail just right. But I would suggest really setting up a few templates that work well with your channel. And then every time you upload a video, you can just go into your templates, pick the one that you like. Wow. Or, of course, you can customize this text and say, test or whatever it is. And it just updates it automatically. Very, very cool. Very, very fast. Pick your frame that you want to use, click set as thumbnail, and then it sets it as your thumbnail. Very cool. Very cool. In my opinion, this is the kind of tool that I've been looking for a long time. There are other options out there, but sometimes they were paid or just not enough features and these kinds of things. But mine has everything that I would want in mine. And while I'm uploading the video, rather than going to another program, opening up Photoshop, GIMP, Canva even, I don't have to switch tabs. It's all right there. This is going to be extremely useful for me in just my workflow, the way that I work. Of course, if you have a workflow that makes thumbnails a certain way outside of this, that's totally if you want a good thumbnail, but this allows you to make a pretty good thumbnail in a fraction of the time. Like I said, I'm going to be using this exclusively going forward. I love this tool that I've made. I hope it's useful to you too. If you want beta access to it, just let me know. I would love to give you access and get some feedback from you as well. So YouTube is a journey, and you have to keep at it in order to see progress. This is going to be a useful tool for me. Hopefully it's a useful tool for you. If I can do it, you can do it too.